Today is October 2nd, 2022 in the Valley of the Sun. My good buddy Steve is in town from Oregon. We are hoping to go on an adventurous hike today before he has to go back home. The problem is that it is still 94 degrees out and extremely sunny. We don't have time to go up north, but there is a local hike here just north of Scottsdale that offers plenty of shade, really tall trees, and best of all, a water hole at the end. My good friend Kevin will also be joining us. I have easily hiked over 100 miles with these two buddies combined on numerous hikes throughout the state of Arizona. However, I've rarely been able to hike with both of them at the same time. I'm very much looking forward to this hike as it should be a blast to spend time with these guys and explore one of the best trails that Phoenix has to offer. Check that house out.
Oh my goodness. No one lives there. No, the whole back door is ripped out. The whole back wall's torn off.
But I wonder if it was like for rangers or the people that worked at the park.
It's green. It's got the ranger color.
I think there's a second one. Yeah, there's another one. Oh, that one's got a house.
Oh no way, there's some car there.
Somebody's living there.
What a trip. This is pretty far out to live.
So to my knowledge, this is the best water hole in the Phoenix area. You don't see trees like this unless you go up to like Sedona.
Yep.
But because you got 7 springs here, you get a bunch of shade. You got a watering hole.
There's the water.
Here's some water. Do you guys know of another trail in the Phoenix area that has this much shade?
Yeah.
I guess if you go by the Salt River, you can get some trees like this, but I don't think they have very many hiking trails.
No.
So this is kind of a cool treat to just be north of Phoenix and Scottsdale. Get all the shade.
Yeah.
Don't want these suckers biting you. Let's keep moving.
He's good size of my thumbnail.
What do you got, a big spider?
He's pretty big. He's down in that hole.
Oh, look at that gnarly web.
Yeah. Is that crawdad swimming? Someone there by the rocks.
There's one right
I
there
see
for
minnows.
sure in the water.
Oh yeah, he's chasing the minnow or something.
But there's one right in the middle.
I see one right by that rock.
Well, the water's not that dirty if he's in there. There's crawdads because
There's running water over there, so.
they breathe through their gills. Now, there's a guy right here in the middle.
I can't see him.
Oh,
I
there's
saw
two
the
or
guy
three.
up
Oh
by
my
the
God,
rock.
there's tons of them, you guys.
Oh, I see him right in front of your hand.
They're everywhere. Where'd he go now? Oh, there he is. Look at that guy.
Well, there's both. Yeah.
They kind of get hidden in the mud.
Holy cow, this is like a funnel. He's down. Oh, the spider's down in the funnel there.
Yeah, he's way down there. He was out a minute ago.
What kind of? Wow, it's a big boy.
Yeah, he's pretty good size, that spider.
He could put a bite on you.
Wow, that's a huge crawdad.
There's some big ones.
Yeah.
What's crazy is the water must stay relatively cool, otherwise they couldn't survive there.
Oh, there's one. They don't get as much traffic here as that, like some of the, like when I see them at the lake, so they probably don't have to hide as often.
Oh, there's little fish over here, you guys.
There's one.
There's tiny little fish right here.
Yeah, there's tons of minnows here.
Yep.
There's a crawdad. Hey, buddy. Trying to hide? I'll make you a star. See, right here, doesn't it feel like we're in Sedona? Like if you were to take a picture
John.
and say, send it to our friends, say we're in Sedona, I think we'd fool them all.
Probably.
So much cooler here when you got water and tons of shade.
Yeah.
Instead of all the concrete.
Debris. Cool shot of the mountains out here.
Yeah, that is cool. I think we're technically. Did the creek go away? I thought we were kind of by a creek the whole way. Oh, there's a little bit remnants of it. Now it's like the enchanted forest. Here's a cow pie.
Fuck.
Is that a beetle?
Oh, it's green.
Oh wow.
Hey, Steve.
He's on his back.
Check this out.
That is a cool beetle. You got a stick? We can turn him over if he's still alive. Oh. That looks
It's like a bright green beetle.
that looks like a toy.
I know. That's what I thought it was.
It
at
looks
first. I'm
like
wait a minute,
a
that's probably real.
metallic or plastic toy.
Is it a little toy?
No, but it looks like it could be.
Oh, it's a June bug, you guys.
It's a June bug?
Yeah, it's a June bug. He's
I've
dead.
seen it so
Yeah.
green before.
He was on his
Usually they are
back.
blacker. Well, there's some
That's some cool
species.
color.
Yeah.
He's June bug-esque.
It's pretty big. I mean,
You know what's funny? You want to hear something funny?
that you've eaten them before?
No, but we would catch them and tie thread to their leg, and then they would fly and be on a leash. It's going bzz, 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 with a little tiny thread on his leg, a sewing thread, and they'd be like. Bzz, bzz, bzz. I swear we'd have
Didn't you
June
used to
bugs on a
catch-
leash.
That's a mouse.
So we've seen what? Horse poo, cow poo. Is that deer, you think?
I think that's a deer. It's just kind of a weird,
Yeah.
or sheep, or something.
Sheep, maybe?
That is kind of
I
strange.
know I've seen javelina here.
This is a pipe that's running water that way, I'll bet. From
Well,
the
I
spring
think one
to
of
those
the
homes.
one of the ranches I think is straight ahead of us.
Oh, is it? Okay. We have like 24 trees on our property.
Think that's from a fire or lightning?
Fire.
Because it's weird that this one right here.
It's probably a while ago.
Yeah,
So this probably regrew.
that makes
It
sense.
looks like I got some dead branches on there.
That's true.
Just regrew. So it's probably.
You see this charred tree trunk here, and then the other one.
Oh, wow.
That's why I didn't know if like
There's
maybe
probably a
lightning
bunch
hit
of
it or a
other growth in
fire.
here, and it probably had died out and got washed away.
I
'Cause
thought
it-
it was lightning.
Because in between them you got the green one, but maybe that was just the newer regrowth.
That's pretty strange.
You know, the ant's the strongest animal in the world, right?
Well, yeah, I agree with that. You
Depending
see what
on.
they're doing, Kevin? There's three of them carrying that little berry.
That's crazy.
That's teamwork.
No kidding.
And they can't even talk.
Wow, is that guy quick? I can't keep him on the camera. He thing's so quick.
Waterfall, John.
Seven
waterfall.
Seven Springs waterfall. Breathtaking.
That's one thing there's no shortage of. It's got a lot of berries.
Be a good hiker. Please close the gate. We can give it a shot. Well, we're out of the creek bed now, getting up in a little more higher ground.
And then there's like virtually no saguaros, but look at that huge one on the hill right there.
That is funny. That one
Giant
saguaro.
one there.
It's on the hill. There's a bunch on the hill to the right.
Oh yeah, over there.
Oh, there they are.
There they are.
I'm like, how are there no cacti?
I guess they tend to grow on a certain side of the mountain because of
They
the
do,
sunlight,
Doc.
right?
Probably.
They absolutely do.
But that guy, he broke the rule, huh?
That's a north-facing slope.
Yeah, he broke
Because
the
in the
rule.
summer they don't get as much sun. I mean, in the winter.
Family.
Interesting.
Come on, Dick.
Love these huge tree trunks and the aspens. That's so pretty.
Look at this guy.
Already changing color. Oh,
Well, it's
yeah.
just-
So here is a beautiful view. We're above the creek bed. There's a lot of aspens down there and also saguaro cacti. Pretty unusual to see both in one spot, but that's just one of the many wonders Seven Springs has to offer. All right, we're at the end of the line here, coming down to the water hole. Beautiful little spot. Actually more green than normal.
Yeah, it is.
Still some big trees down there, and we should find a good place to take a dip here.
Somebody was shooting a gun here.
Love that sound of running water, huh? Especially in the desert.
Oh, there's a pool right here.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking because it got real narrow. Yeah, that looks good right there. I'm game for that. So there's a huge water spider. And what the heck is this guy? He's just going spastic there.
John, these crawdads come right here below me.
Oh, wow. There's a huge crawdad right there. I didn't even see him.
That guy there is big.
This guy right here?
No, the one you were just looking at.
Yeah, this guy's big
Oh,
too.
it's pretty good size.
So what is this blue thing? Is that a...
I have no idea what that weird looking
Where'd he
thing
go
is.
now? Oh, there he is. Zipping along. Is that
I've never
You
seen
think that's a
one.
fish or an insect?
It's an insect.
Like 50 little minnows.
I wonder if he keeps moving because the crawdad's right below him and he's afraid he'll nab him. That's
It's pretty weird.
Then check out those huge spiders in there. Yeah, that crawdad's big right there. After a long hike, nothing better than cooling off in the water. So this is really cool. I love to do like bouldering when you find some streams. So we're gonna check this spot out a little bit farther here. Whoa, what is this? It's like the size of 3 or 4 ladybugs. It's got like side fins. What the heck is that thing? I saw one swimming over there. That's so weird.
You know, I've actually seen stuff in my pool like that before.
Oh, really? Cool. It's a little slick, so watch your step. When it's dry, when the rock's dry, it's not too bad. Oh, there's a ton of minnows here, and those huge water spiders.
Well, the water's coming out of the rock.
Yeah. Makes some nice sound. Man, the crawdads got it good here. Well, the cows have been here too, Kev. That's a cool spot. This spot's cool. It's got like almost rocky sandy beach leading up to a little swim hole. Good little fun. This is another good spot to dip in.
Yeah.
He's looking right at us.
They look pretty healthy.
Move.
Move.
The other one's like,
Look, they're eating the grass.
I could
coming
care
up.
less. I got some good eating
Too snug.
here. After a long hike, nothing better than getting in the water.
What are you farting? Like a big old fart.
That feels good.
Boy, one thing better than getting in the water.